everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today I'm going to swatch this cute little LA Colors blush quad. So I have a couple other blush palette videos that are extremely popular, so I decided to do one for this one as well, even though it's just for the 4 shades. Sorry about my nails, that's just me with anxiety and animals. I've used this quite a bit. It's extremely affordable. It's like under $5. Let's just get into it. Okay, these don't have names, and this first one might be a little hard to see on my skin tone. We'll see. They're not meant as eyeshadows. I mean, any powder could be an eyeshadow if you wanted it to be. This is just like a fair skin tone with a little bit of pink in it. It could be a highlighter if you want a matte highlighter and you have a skin tone that it'll show up for. The next one is the one I use the most. And it's just a, middle of the road pink blush. Try to roll my arm over a little bit so you can maybe see it on the fairer skin. I have light skin with cool undertones. A little bit of olive in mine, so it's a little weird. The next two are shimmery, which fits well for a highlighter. This is the third one. Very pretty champagne, and all of these have a little bit of a pink tinge to them. Whether you can tell in the camera or not, I'm not sure, but this is a pinky champagne highlight. And then the last one has some shimmer in it as well. It's very similar to this, a little peachier. Honestly, the shimmer shows up more in the pan than on your face. It's just a teensy bit of glitter in there. So there's this little LA Colors quad. I enjoy it very much, and it's also nice to know that I can repurchase it anytime because it's so affordable. Also, the pan sizes are really nice to get a blush brush in there, or highlighter brush, whatever you might use for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. We'll link some of our other blush videos. There's lots of eyeshadow as well, and lots of other crazy things on this channel, so we hope to see you again soon. Thanks, bye. Quad from LA Colors. It's a blush. I'm seeing if this noise makes my cat meow. It's either the tone of my voice or the noise of the recorder button. You gonna meow? Yeah? What do you need? I'm recording, okay? The pan sizes are really nice to... I'm almost done.